We got amazing free trading strategy with IQ option. With advanced tools aiming for its optimization, and easily conquer the IQ option OTC market. We are currently traded with the digital options, where we could trade additional OTC currencies, than on the binary side. Let's continue with our strategy. We got good trading method here. The DiNapoli MACD creates a down arrow on its blue line, while our trend intensity index is on its middle zone, creating a 50-50 chance of having the trend goes up or down. But we have our MACD stating that there will be a reversing trend since our red bars already reaches the higher support level. Let's reverse this and go for higher. Our DiNapoli MACD parameter settings got its default settings, and also with our trend intensity index. It also on its default settings. Better to understand how to market flows with its currency behavior, and certain tools on how to trade on a quick trading decision. Got our trading result and receive a winning trade. Euro to pound sterling, a good charting position here. It's DiNapoli MACD blue line going lower. With our trend intensity index is going lower too. Let's go trade for lower. Good trading result. We also got bad trades with this method when used it incorrectly. We got market trading strategy and risk management at ultimatefxtools.com. Risk management allows you to trade with daily trading target, monthly target, daily stop loss, and safe martingale method. This is very useful when trading IQ option. We have good confirmation here. US dollar to Japanese yen, a good momentum going up. Our trend intensity may be at the bottom of our support level. Our DiNapoli MACD is in reversal state, aiming for higher. And also with our candle bar here, creating hammer candle. It's the best spot to trade. Euro to US dollar trend going down. While our trend index is at the bottom, it has strong trend going down, while our DiNapoli MACD is going lower, creating red bars going down. It's the best spot to trade and go for lower. See the rest of the video and follow us, subscribe to get latest updates trading with IQ option and other trading brokers.